This is Weight Lattice. Let's create your first lattice in under a minute. Select your mesh, open the sidebar, and click New Weight Lattice. Blender switches straight into weight paint. Paint the area you want to deform. Red means full influence, blue means none. Now, press Enter. The cage is generated around the painted region, already linked to the mesh. Grab the control points and reshape. The mesh follows in real time. Happy with the result? Press Enter to apply. Escape removes the cage without touching the mesh. That's the whole loop. Paint, enter, reshape, apply.